Welcome to the JPS VIA Management Portal series. In this tutorial, we will explore the ability to modify feature keys and client settings which affect the way mobile device users interact with the JPS VIA app. First, we'll discuss feature keys. Feature keys control the behavior and capabilities of the mobile device. These can be changed individually or for a group of devices by creating a template. If a feature key has been enabled, it will appear as a darker shadowed box with a check mark. If disabled, the box will have no check mark and will appear grayed out. The first set of feature keys are management features. Allow Contact Management allows a user to add or remove contacts on their device. If turned off, the user's contacts will be managed by an administrator. Allow Group Management allows a user to add or remove groups on their device. If this is turned off, the user's groups will be managed by an administrator. Allow Refresh Presence provides a mobile user the ability to force an immediate refresh. If disabled, this will not be available. However, Presence refresh will occur automatically regardless of the setting. Allow Deactivation gives the user the option to sign out of the JPS VIA app. This is not recommended, as users are required to run JPS VIA in the background if they wish to receive calls and other notifications. If the Show Contacts tab and Show Groups tab are disabled, these tabs will not be displayed on a mobile user's app. Show Map on Client will display a map tab displaying client locations when enabled. If disabled, this tab will not be available. Show Settings menu allows a mobile user to change and view their JPS VIA settings through their device. The default tab view will set the displayed tab on a mobile user's device when the app is opened. The next set of features available are Push-to-Talk features. Allow DND or Do Not Disturb allows a user the option to disable call reception by turning on the Do Not Disturb option on their device. It also allows a user to block calls from a specific contact or group. If this option is disabled, the user will not have either ability and any blocked call states will be unblocked. Show Recents tab displays a tab showing recent placed and/or missed calls. If this option is disabled, this tab will not be shown. The next set of features available are location features. Send Client Location sends real-time location of the mobile user when in call, as well as periodic idle location when enabled. Allow Location Disable provides the user the ability to disable sending location through JPS VIA. This does not affect the overall ability of the mobile device to send location. Force Duty Mode is one of the most useful features in JPS VIA. When enabled, a duty mode option is displayed in the app. Duty mode allows a JPS VIA user to stop reporting location when not on shift. The device will not report location to JPS VIA until the user starts a VIA call, talks in an active call, or clicks again to enable on-duty mode. Enable Location Tracking allows the device to send periodic locations which are stored on the server. This historical location information is available as a premium feature in JPS VIA. Tracking Report Period is only enabled if Enable Location Tracking is enabled, and controls how often location reports are sent to the server. It is shown in minutes and is adjustable from 5 to 12. Likewise, Tracking Sample Period is only enabled if Enable Location Tracking is enabled, and controls how often location is queried. It is shown in seconds and is adjustable from 30 to 240. The next set of features are messaging features. Enable Messaging allows the user to send and receive JPS VIA messages when enabled. If disabled, messaging will be disabled for that user and the Messages tab will not be displayed. Collect Sent Message Status allows for the display of sent message delivery and open status when enabled. Message Delivery App will use the JPS VIA app to deliver messages when checked. Otherwise, the Message Delivery Email will send JPS VIA messages through the mobile device's default email service. Lastly, Dispatch features. The last feature set available is Dispatch features. Allow Voice Record allows RTP voice recording through the JPS VIA Dispatch Client software. To access the client settings options, close out of the feature keys and click on the Settings button. These various settings are explained in detail in our mobile device tutorials. However, the key component from a management aspect is that each option has the ability to be displayed on a user's mobile device if preferred. To remove a select option from a user's view, you would simply unselect the checkmark by clicking the appropriate button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial video detailing feature keys and client settings options in the JPS VIA Management Portal. Be sure to check out the next video in the series, which focuses on creating templates for the purpose of assigning multiple users with the same feature keys or client settings.